Good morning, lovely people of the internet. It is currently, I don't even know the time. It is currently 5:48. Not too early for me. I'm trying to get out by 6:30 though, so I need to skedaddle. I need to quickly check the weather again before I leave. I have my checklist here. And I'm just going to do a quick run through and then I'm going to hop in the shower and come back out. Okay, we're going to oh my gosh, my hair's a mess. We're going to really quickly do some math to calculate how much my pack is sitting at. I have all my clothes. £29, under 30. Oh my gosh, who am I? My first trip of the year literally was like 45 pounds. So I'm very proud of myself. All right, it is time for us to go. Car is loaded up. We got everything. I picked up wipes. It was in my house, so I got it in there. Oh no, I'm leaving a little too late now. When I checked like 30 minutes ago, it was only an hour, but now it's an hour and 20 minutes. Oh wait, look at these socks! Look at the socks!
32. How am I heavier? How am I heavier?
How are you heavier? I don't know.
36.
36 and I'm 32. And mind you, before I came here, I was like, I'm at 29 and we can't say anything. We literally had 45 pounds before we left for our last trip last year. So. In the car all packed up and we have a Wild Tutors. Somehow we got to Barrie and we are getting food. Well, we got food and Selena's getting gas. Where's she at? I don't know where she's at.
We just hit on her. Well, hit us.
Oh. I took a nap and somehow we're in Algonquin.
We're in Tally-Ho!
Where are we?
Tally-Ho!
First bag pull of the year.
That's nice, but it won't go tighter around my chest. I guess that's the tightest.
Really?
Yeah.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket cruise. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Oh,
It is a lovely day to backpack. We are on our way to Tally-Ho!
Tally-Ho!
Oh fuck. That guy's gonna hear us like on the other side of the lake. He's gonna be like, oh, I know those girls. We met like a random guy at the trailhead. He was also starting at the same time.
I hear his name, but I'm pretty sure it's fake. Yeah.
Yodi? Oh yeah, he hesitated. We're not stupid. But yeah, it's a perfect day.
Our real name.
I know.
Oh, not to speed walk in front of you.
Yes. I think that's a great goal. I think that's an amazing goal.
It's really hard for me though. It's a hard goal to reach.
Well, it's normally because of Toad. But hopefully the pack slows her down, you know?
Hope so. I did a good walk this morning.
Oh, there's a fallen tree in our way.
There's 2, 3, 4.
Oh, there's more over there.
So,
Okay. This will be fun. Is it a hill? Just be careful, please.
yeah. Watch your footing. Just like you climb.
Yeah.
Hold onto the tree like a stripper.
Thank you, tree, for your service. Parkour! Be careful.
Oh, jump over that. Come on. Ride him. Woo! Tally ho!
That was fun. Ah! I hurt my handsies. Can you kiss it better?
Mwah.
Thank you. 1 kilometer in and we hit a very hard hill. First trip of the season. We're already trying to lose 10 pounds ourselves and hop on that Stairmaster because what the heck? What the heck was that? You can't really see it, but you kind of can. That's Mule Lake right there. It is gorgeous. Gorgina. Oh, also Toad has a backpack. Toad, can I see your Toad? Toad? Toad?
Show off your backpack.
You're so cute. She's so cute. So the Provoking Lake Bridge is broken, but you can still come and see it. Provoking Falls, I mean. So the bridge used to go up here and then you used to walk across. See, like Jason's so annoying. We could definitely walk through this. Yeah. Toad! She's just a girl. We are more than halfway out the detour. We're on Old Bike Trail, I think it's called. Old Railway Bike Trail. Going this way, back towards Provoking. So we are 5.2 kilometers in. Going up a massive hill. Aren't you so happy, Selena?
I don't like it. I'm gonna go on my hands and knees.
Don't. And yeah, we're just passing the detour now, so we're actually en route to Provoking.
Oh.
Have fun, girl. Yeah. Yeah, you have fun. I'll meet you down here. Guys, look at these mushrooms. Wow. Wow. Anyways, now we have to go on this muddy area. Oh my gosh. How did you do this?
Very carefully.
Did you step in it?
A little bit. Yeah, I went over more. Okay, Toad, go. This way. No, Toad, I'm literally stuck. Toad, go. Yeah, good girl. Keep going.
Look at Toad's print.
He was walking on the side and he jumped up on the bridge right there. Go.
Cute little river to the lake. I literally have a mosquito bite on my arm. I can just feel it. We're hitting 2 hours, 6 kilometers. Ah! This is scary. Ah! Oh my gosh. You didn't want to warn me that one's tippy?
I didn't even notice. I feel tippy. Do we filter water? Do you think we have enough to make it to site?
I think we have enough. Guys, we're so close. We're like right around the corner. I need to take my shoes off so bad. Slippery rocks? Uh-oh. Pray for us. At last! 2 hours and 42 minutes. 8.24 kilometers. Are we cooked? Maybe. Ow! My toes hurt so bad, guys. I'm gonna need an Advil. I need to pop something. Guys, we can see water. We're so close. Where's the thunder? Oh, the thunder box is right there. We're so close. So close. Site 5, baby.
Oh, wait.
Let's see Toad's reaction to getting her pack off.
You're free!
Woo! She's like, water? Swim?
Fully forgot to record, but we set up the tent.
Toad, please. Sawyer bladder. But I gotta get the water first. Well, I already tried it at home. But like, so you're not going for a swim right now.
I'm gonna filter a bunch of water.
Yeah.
Can you water down her food? Give her water.
Oh, nice.
No. There's a reason why we don't get wild.
Oh, my hands are cold now.
I know. I'm gonna do this like 2 or 3 times too. Can you get my camera up, please? Oh, it fell.
Just turn it off for now, honestly. Bye, guys. What the hell? There is a root right
Sit down
there.
right there.
Oh, do you want to sit this way?
Like heads down, that way
Yeah.
we don't fall down.
Yeah. And the pockets are here.
Oh, it's like zigzag.
Oh, shit. Do you want a zigzag?
Yeah, we could.
I also don't really want my head to be on the root. If you don't. Oh, well, there's fucking another one here. Ow!
Sorry.
It's okay. Oh, this thing's kind of coming off.
Oh, it's glued under that too. And I have extra ones, so I don't want them.
Setup is done. Oh my gosh, I look so blue. I'm blue. Oh, what's on the camera? I'm blue. Dee da dum da da.
If I could reach them without getting outside the camera.
No, I'm gonna get out. Okay, we literally bundled up. Like, I'm wearing all my layers right now. So is Selena. And we cleaned up the whole site, like packed it all in the tent so we can just chill. But we need to figure out this bear hang. So let's go do that.
Yeah,
Although the wind is really cold, it is gorgeous out here. Like, I cannot wait till tomorrow or Sunday morning when it's like warmer out and we can enjoy it a bit more. Do you hear the wind? Oh my gosh. Okay, so our idea is that we're gonna tie it on this tree. It's like the only tree that's sturdy. All the other ones are like small and moving around, so it's not as safe. I feel like you guys are not gonna be able to see us doing it all, but you kinda can, so that's okay.
I think we have to stick to like get snatched on, right?
Yeah, we can like have the release rope over here.
Okay. Oh, I see. You just want to swing it over and then have a tension thing. Okay. So you don't really need a rock. Just to throw it.
Or we can put the rock around here.
Yeah. So we need the rock to
To
throw
throw,
over.
yeah.
Do we need a carabiner?
Which I should go over this way.
Yeah.
Can you hold toad? Hold toad, yeah.
So come on. Over here. Nice!
Wow!
You can see someone's old tie right there.
Nice. Okay, perfect. So, you want to start pulling it? Okay.
Let's go like that.
Nice. All good. So this log was on this little ridge, which was a great spot, but it wasn't as sturdy, so I made a bench. I'm so thirsty.
I'm like, I think you're out already.
So gonna have to
Where? Go. Like, I don't want you to get it on yourself or get it anywhere else, no? I'm trying to be safe.
stressing me out. Almost told you that we're leaving right now.
I feel like because I don't visually see anything and I just feel numbness, that like I'm not.
Yeah.
Too worried.
Okay, and I'm telling you from now, if tomorrow it blows up and blisters, we are leaving. No doubt. I'm so sorry. We're going straight to the lake.
We need a pack.
Don't you just love when your noodles are half cooked? The view makes up for it.
As soon as you came back.
I know.
I
If you, it's cute on you. Why do I have my water bottle? if you can't do this, just let me know, okay? Or just hold me still. I got a water. Did I fuck it? That was gross and disgusting. Like that I had no reason to do that. Like so, like childlike, so like coughed out. Okay, watch out.
I think even if I do have like the odd item, I'll just eat it. Come here, my little shithead. Come here. Right here. Spit it out. Oh. Hey guys, what's up?
You want to tell them what happened or no?
Oh yeah, I don't the propane like adapters. I don't know if I got a shitty one or they're all shitty, but it fucking sprayed propane.
No other one has a propane adapter, so that's,
honestly,
that's your first thing.
I shouldn't be talking too much shit about the adapter because it was my stupidity too, because picture, it's spitting out like this way. I don't know why I decided to put my hand on this way to try to tighten it. And then I got like protein. I got some fucking propane on me.
Yeah.
And instantly my fingers felt like they were burning. You know, it was like a burning sensation. Then I stuck it in the lake. Then I was like numb. Like my fingers were numb to the touch, but I could still move them. Here's the thing. I'm on my period. I was stoned. I didn't eat that much today, nor did I not sleep. So maybe I was being dramatic and angry.
But I said, if tomorrow it's all messed up, we're leaving. So we're going to preface you guys with that. And we're going to have a good night tonight.
I feel like at that point, like if it's already messed up, might as well just like...
No! This girl, see, we're cutting the cameras. Good morning, guys. It is currently 6 a.m. Y'all just saw the sunrise. My eyes are puffy. Hence why I look kind of crazy, but this is what I look like. My sleep was quite literally a 4 out of 10. I slept, but like not well. You know what I mean? I was really tossing and turning all night. I really had to pee. I drank too much water when I came in last night, and we never got up in the nighttime to pee.
My phone just died. Is that like...
Yeah, mine did too. It was at 10, and then I charged it for 20 minutes, and then it's at 100. Yeah, I think it's just because it's cold. It's so random. But I know it's not gonna show my sleep score. But I did sleep like 7 hours, but like not well, and like my mattress was so too towards here. So when I stuck my butt out this way to get some space, I was on the floor. Oh no! So it was like kind of iffy. What about you? How was your sleep?
It's okay. I kept waking up to like check on my dog and my air mattress that had a leak in it. I patched it up. I tested at home. It held great, but then I slept on the leak, like on the patch. And as I tossed and turned, I ripped the patch off. So I gotta repatch it. I'm gonna sleep on the other side of the mattress.
Yeah, we're gonna live life. And how's your finger?
It's fine. It definitely feels like, you know, like
it hurt. It's hurt.
No, it doesn't hurt, but I know that like you can sense that something happened.
Yeah,
yesterday.
yeah.
It's that, or I'm just traumatized.
Yeah, let me see as well, because it's not like blistering or anything. Like, you can tell.
This is old, but
like here, it gets a little red. We're hearing loons all through the like middle of the night, and honestly, relaxing. Like yeah. I love a loon call. I'm gonna get a loon tatted on me.
Toad, no digging.
I know I showed in many other videos, but if you're ever curious, as to where we go use the bathroom. First off, this is the cutest little sign ever, and it's just basically telling me that it's this way. Or is it actually? It's right there. Ways away from water, and it's basically just this big hole in the ground that you can use the bathroom on. Oh, we have a lovely friend joining us. All done.
Thought about these guys. I don't want to use it all, but I'm trying to stick this one this way. have one option.
Eggs?
Yeah.
All right, it's boiling.
18 grams of protein.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't look like that much food.
Until it rehydrates. Where's the one? Halfway up or something? Let me just double check it for you. Oh, where's the line? Oh yeah, yeah. That's good. Oh, is this mine?
This is mine. That's scrambled eggs and beans.
Oh. I was like, why is there brown stuff in it? Sorry, I just don't want to pour hot water on it. Sorry. Selena guided me to some, oh my gosh, Toad, right in the moose poop. Guided me to some moose poo. She said, I found some moose poo, you want to come see? And I'm like, yeah! Are we crazy? Are we crazy? Maybe. There's a mosquito on my camera. Selena found this little spot. And it's gonna get so nice and warm, I'm literally gonna tan here. Like, we're gonna put on our bikinis and we're gonna come tan.
This is a nice like swimming spot too.
Yeah.
There's like no campsite. You know, skinny dipping.
Skinny dipping. Oh my god, scandalous. It's pretty over here. I might dip my feet in. Maybe we could take a shower today because it's gonna be warm.
Oh, that's me.
Yeah, be careful, please. Don't fall in. Not right now. Jump! Jump! Jump to Narnia! Oh, Toad's really in the water right now. Toad, we're taking a nap. Toad's sleeping outside.
Can I tie her to a tree at least?
So UV is 7, and as the inner city girl, we're
Squirrel,
not I. We are laying out. We're at the beach, eat, let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. What they ain't the butt. Oh, Toad.
Go lay down. I'm just so tired and
We started making backpackers meals, pesto pasta with chicken for lunch today. And we're still by the beach. Dipped in the lake a little bit and did a little wash off, hence the no pants. Now I'm going to change into my second set of clothes of the trip. Only 2. Yeah. I'll probably change into my pajamas later. What bug's on me? Okay guys, I'm so sorry if I look crazy. Just finished changing. And I just want to quickly show you what I have for quote-unquote skincare for this trip. A lot of people in the backcountry don't use skincare, but I have this little stick. It's from Oceanly, and it's face cream, basically. It's like shea butter, basically, just to moisturize my face a little, because I can't go a day without moisturizer, honestly. Well, I mean, I guess I went yesterday without moisturizer, but putting on a teensy weensy bit of sunscreen.
fire now or later?
Now and later.
Now and later? Wood.
Well, we still have that big log there. Just a little bit. It's gonna catch. I just know it is.
there's a will. There's a way.
Oh, it's starting.
Yep, it's going.
Fuck yeah. I'm gonna burn this a little. Okay, so we're on a mission to finish our snacky. Oh, is this one yours?
No, because I'm eating one right now.
Or maybe I just opened mine. Anyways. We're trying to eat all our snacks because I know. It's okay.
And I ate a lot of snacks this morning too.
Did you?
After breakfast.
You ate a lot of snacks and we still have the, like, guys, look how much we still, like, then when the meals go, those are the biggest things. Like, it probably will be smaller, but, like, we're still not eating enough. We brought a lot of snacks and usually we're more snacky, but I don't know why we're not. But you wanna know what it is as well? I think I've cracked the code. When it's colder, we snack more. I think when it's warmer, we're actually doing stuff, like, we don't snack as much.
Yeah, but yesterday was cold. We're also exhausted though.
I was gonna say that. I feel like that doesn't count. But I don't know. What is that? Do you think that's a good theory? Like, because we were doing stuff today,
Yeah.
or maybe because we took a nap, or you're also usually awake and stuff. You know. Like,
I'm smoking less now too.
oh, okay, that too. I feel like I'm forcing myself to eat, but gotta eat it. Less pack, less weight, and like we need the fuel too.
Yeah. I didn't pack that many healthy snacks. Like, this is like as healthy as it got. And then I brought a whole box of fruit roll-ups. And a whole chocolate bar, an extra large chocolate bar.
She's the problem. Do they have temp pads over there? Is that just me?
Kind
See
of
how
looks
there's-
like it.
You know?
Yeah.
Why would they put their tent on the hill then? Or like it wouldn't be a bench. Yeah. I'm gonna pour some back out because it was a little bit over. Back in, I mean. What is that noise? Is that your phone?
Yeah. Taking pictures.
Oh, I thought you were getting notice. I was like, holy service.
I wish. Not really. Like, the only people I care about messaging me right now is...
To really, really, really quickly show you guys how easy it is to use the Sawyer squeeze, honestly. Best investment I've made. Like, it's the, I think it's CNOC. I think it's Knock brand Sawyer squeeze. And my bottle's full, so we're just gonna drink the rest of this water. Fresh water, ready to go. Selena and I decided that we would be as Canadian as we could be and be some beavers. We collected a bunch of wood and kindling and whatnot for a fire tonight and fire tomorrow. It is our last night, but it's fine. I don't think I'll ever get sick of this view though. I think tonight what I want to do, since it's going to be less, whatchamacallit, windy, I want to leave it out and like to like look at the stars or like the
The
lake.
rain fly off?
No, the camera, girl.
Oh, okay.
You got so scared there?
I did. I got terrified.
I want a cowboy camp this fall though. Like early
It has to be somewhere where there's no bears, which is nowhere. Because the bear will eat you. What the hell?
You think the fence protecting us?
Yeah, I'd like to think so. And God. So, but fair, yeah, I guess you're right. So you want to cowboy camp and have snacks with you?
Yeah.
Say that with chest.
I want a cowboy camp with snacks.
She's scary, bro.
I'll fight a bear. I'm having my snacks.
Some tea for myself because I am determined to have a good night's sleep.
I'm not gonna let it. I'm not gonna let it.
Let me have a good night's sleep? What?
Toad. Get it.
GSI mug. It's also, I don't know if you can see here, it's also a measuring cup. Literally the coolest mug I've ever had.
And it's blue.
Tazo, Dream Sanj, greatest like night tea. It's so good.
I like the lid on it.
I like your lid on it.
Aww.
Which is fun. Yeah.
Guys, it's our 1 year anniversary.
It is our 1 year
We're
anniversary.
actually married. Y'all were right.
In this oh, look, you're right there.
Okay.
She's there.
Wow. Way to make me feel special.
Okay, I'm gonna do it right now. Ready? Toad, shut up.
You didn't get your football.
Where is it? Did you throw it down there? It's over there.
I'm coming!
I'm gonna post a really good picture of her.
Sit.
Oh, sorry.
Sit.
It literally won't let me. It literally won't let me. What? She'll forget. She's gonna forget. Right, Selena? Right.
She doesn't even type the way you showed us. It's like everything you taught us doesn't matter at all. Maybe Tina should teach the class.
So, what's going on?
Looks like an old lady already anyway.
I don't know. Getting yelled at by a fucking dog.
Grant, your face is
My
weird.
overweight dog.
No, she's not. Nothing.
So I
I'm
get
doing
the A,
nothing.
right? I can go on the field trip.
Toad keeps hitting me with this freaking football.
All day, Toad's been harassing her.
Literally.
Following her around, soaking wet, shaking.
Yes, like Toad would come out of the water 10 miles away and walk to me and shake off. Toad hates me. Well, no, that's Toad telling me she loves me. But at the same time,
Had to test out the grill pod.
girl, what are you doing?
Gonna be gone a couple hours.
Anyways,
It's not a party lit, just 'cause I brought really good meat.
why is it dirty?
I feel like you're gonna fall asleep before sunset.
No.
Tuesdays are
Like, how strong is this tea?
Not that strong.
You shouldn't do drugs.
Y'all didn't see what she was doing over there
I
while I was making my tea. She wanted to say so much. Damn.
Just looking at the.
Year 2.8.
Yeah, exactly.
In our family to graduate 8th grade. And I'm making a note in the
They
system
said-
that you will be absent from class to attend the vertically challenged
I'm
field
gonna
trip
add some more
on
water.
Friday.
Yep.
We're gonna stretch.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna copy her.
We're gonna do one of these.
Oh, maybe I should. It's much flatter. Oh. Ugh. I need like a pole.
I always hit one of these. And then Good morning, lovely people. It is our final morning. We're packing up, gonna make some breakfast, and then head out. It's gorgeous out here. Yeah. On the menu for brekkie this morning, we have Mr. Noodles. I did have oatmeal, but I don't think I want oatmeal right now. NGL, not gonna lie, dude. Also having a pepperoni stick.
Oh, you're not
Tell them-
making oatmeal. Hey.
What are you eating for brekkie?
I add 2 apple packets, like applesauce packets, and then I'm gonna have some dehydrated apples, maybe some fruit roll-ups later on, but not the best breakfast.
There's a loon right there. There's 2. They both went in there. It's back. All right, guys, we are going to pack up. If you see me looking like a little boy, no, you don't. And we're doing our stretches. I think it's my shoulders that are gonna hurt. Yeah. I can already feel it. Guys, how's the view up there?
This is sick. I'm gonna be so distracted. I feel like those kids and they're like, look at the camera.
Oh my gosh. The view's nice, guys.
So driver's side has cookies, wipes, and fruit roll-ups. So its driver's side has the water filter.
I think I might not keep this on my head long. How did I get my hand sappy?
Wait, can you hold this while I put on my pack so
Absolutely.
I don't have to bend down and die?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Actually, no.
Oh my god.
What?
I don't know where this came from, but it's on my pack, on the back.
Oh shit. It's kind of
I thought I
scary,
checked.
right?
Oh, I can already feel it's hitting my back.
You may tighten your straps for you? Like your top straps?
Hold on.
Holding.
My phone's stuck.
You want me to grab it? OV of me putting this on.
Sorry.
You're done. Can you... Here.
Yeah.
Okay! Oh! I don't know.
Use a knee.
I know. I don't know why I decided to not do that.
Okay, I also want to get all trail setted. Set up.
Oh, my shoulder's already hurt. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh, it's fixing itself.
Is it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
It feels weird though. Does it look weird?
No.
Okay.
This one's definitely up more than this side though.
Okay, I'm gonna release it a bit after I put my hip on.
But are you not excited to go for a walk? You want to go for a 3-hour hike? And then a 3-hour car ride? And then a 3-hour nap?
Live a little.
Bitches ain't shit but hoes and tricks.
We're gonna go. Okay. Well. Okay, guys. So we're starting at 8:32. We should on it. We did 3 hours flat last time, but I think this way will be slightly easier. I don't know. Have gotten to the point of the hike where we're reminiscing the food that we're going to eat after. Our choice for Toad almost pummeled me. Our choice for this trip is Harvey's. We're gonna go get some burgers and some franks and a Red Bull slushie. Hell yeah, boy. Half for good luck. Yeah. Almost fell. Maybe it wasn't good luck. I can hear the highway, so that means we're getting close. We've currently 2 hours and 12 minutes, 13 minutes, and we have like a kilometer left. Selena's zooming. She's sprinting. She really wants to go. Okay, see you later. Guys, don't ask me why we did that hike in 2 hours and 15 minutes. Why did we do that hike so fast, Selena? And she's gonna be like, I'm so tired. We were running. Why were we running? Why are you running? Why are you running? All changed up at the car, ready to go. It took us, I already said, 2:15. Guys, meal that we got. Harv barv. Your little drinky drink.
Pretty lucky. Good.
Ketchup's okay?